Just here on Buena Vista. Good afternoon. Contemplating some of these things about assisted natural restoration and assisted restoration. An author that I read here in Colombia said that natural restoration is organized, orderly. And I disagree, and so I wanted to come down here. Here we're cleaning up with this machete, and I found this node, and I want to compare this to technology as well, decentralized technology. And this node, I noticed, has 3 different species coming out of it. Plus grass and other stuff, but we've got the niguito here, and this has grapefruit. Also, I noticed this one, we call this caballero de la noche. It's like a good smelling flower, and they're clustered right around where we put in this nazareno cutting. And these are pioneer species that have clustered around the node that we started with the nazareno cutting. It's a little bit of an irony, but what we're proposing, what we've done here, is we've planted nazareno to try to grow cabo de hacha and other support species as we go. So this system that's building, there's a Yarumo, we've talked about him before, Cecropia peltata, but also participants like Cordoncillo, Espadero, and others, like the Boconia frutescens, the hero of the Tolima dove and the Atlapletes, a favorite of them. What we're doing is assisting this natural restoration by establishing nodes on steep slopes. Steep slopes, maybe especially on steep slopes, nodes become really important. In the permaculture design literature, they talk about a fish scale as the pattern that is related to steep slopes. And so we've considered that a lot. We also do use contours, and haven't done big terraces yet, but you can check out some of our contour work in the other videos. But this is an extremely steep slope that we are working with, and every friend is welcome, right? So we want to let nature do its thing. We want to understand what nature's trying to do and help it along. So far what we've done is been restricted to pruning, coppice and pollarding, and establishing these nodes with the purple flower you see as I spin around. This is Tiuchina, and so it's a species of Tiuchina. So this is my theory. I'm going to be trying to put forward some push forward some of the ideas, trying to structure them as now hypotheses inside the theories we're learning about, especially through my wife is studying the master's degree ecological restoration. We're finding a lot of great authors, and we're attacking the participating in the struggle at the cutting edge. And so it's very exciting, all the things that are going on with ecological restoration and agriculture. So agriculture is coming at it from another angle, regenerative ag or restoration ag. And so we're very excited to be participating in that. I definitely think what makes our area stand out from other areas in the world, I've been watching lately a lot of Jeff Lawton in dry areas, and obviously the regenerative ag is based on kind of a flat, temperate climate. Great stuff there. And so there's some tropical models but straight line models. The steep slope is is what makes us really unique here, and really also blessed by a lot more biodiversity. So we'll be talking more about that in the future, and just wanted to give you guys a look into what we're doing and a bit about the theory that we're crafting.